What's going on, y'all? It's Wood Lagute here. Today we're going to talk about how you can install WordPress on your brand new domain. All right, so if you're looking to build your own website using WordPress and you followed my previous tutorial on how to get your own domain and hosting from SiteGround, today we're going to talk about how you can install WordPress on that domain and start building your own website. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into my computer and then we can pretty much just go really quickly over how you can install WordPress on your domain. All right, let's get in there. Okay, so after you've gone ahead and purchased your own hosting and domain from SiteGround, this is pretty much what your SiteGround account will look like, and you can go ahead and start building your own website straight from here. Basically, you can install WordPress straight from this dashboard here, all right? And the way that you would go ahead and do that is you can, if you're on this home page right here on your dashboard, you can just go to websites right here. And click on new website. All right, now once you've clicked on new website, you'll be pretty much presented with these three different options asking you if you would like to select a new domain. So if you haven't bought your domain based off the previous tutorial that I made on how to get your own domain from SiteGround, then you can go ahead and select this and you will be able to search up a domain here for purchase. All right, but if you did buy a domain based off the tutorial that I provided within this playlist, then you will be able to just search it up right here. All right, see, I didn't actually buy the domain, so I wouldn't be able to search anything up here, and I also do not want to get a new domain for this tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a temporary domain for this tutorial. All right, but this obviously is down to what you need or what you would like to do. If you do want a brand new domain to build on, go ahead and click that and search it up and purchase it. If you already bought the domain according to my last tutorial, this is where you would select it, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to select a temporary domain. All right, as you can see, it's pretty much given me a temporary domain. It's a pretty crappy domain. This is not something that I would want to brand, but it's free, so I'm cool with that. All right, so let's go on and hit continue and see what we get here. So right here we get two different options, and the option that we're going to go with for this tutorial is to start a new website, and this is where we are going to be able to install WordPress on our brand new website. All right, and as you can see here, we have a bunch of different options when it comes to building our website. Right now, of course, we are going to build a WordPress website. All right, if you are building an online store and you'd like to install WooCommerce right away, you can go ahead and select this this WordPress/WooCommerce option also. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna select the WordPress option. All right, so once you've selected the WordPress option, it's going to ask you for your website dashboard login. All right, so this is where you pretty much select your actual login for the website that you're creating, your admin login. All right, so it would be something like, be creative here, don't make it super hackable. All right, what I like to do sometimes is I like to generate the password and I'll copy it and I'll paste it into a notepad file, and I'll just have my password like that, or I'll just keep it safe somewhere depending on where I need to keep it safe at. But yeah, so don't hesitate to use this this generate password option right here. All right, the email is pretty much the email address that you'll use to log in to your back office for your website, so pretty much your WordPress dashboard. All right, so I'm just gonna enter a random email here, well, one of my emails here, and I'm going to generate a password. I'm gonna let you guys see it only because I feel like I want to see it too. All right, bet. So I'm gonna hide it now. I'm gonna create a new one. I'm gonna click copy. It's copied. That's great. So now I'm just gonna hit continue, and as you can see, I'm gonna hit never here. I'm just gonna X that out actually. So after you've done that, you should get the option to include SiteGround Site Scanner on your website. As you remember if you do remember from my previous tutorial, we're just gonna skip out on SiteGround Site Scanner for now. So I'm just gonna hit on finish instead of add. And that should be it. As you can see right now, it's currently installing WordPress on our domain. It's saying it should take less than 10 minutes. Honestly, this usually goes by pretty fast. So you can go ahead and sit back, lay back, do whatever you have to do, open a new tab, watch a YouTube video, you know, preferably on my channel. Haha, subscribe. But yeah, do whatever you have to do while this loads. I'm just gonna pause this video real quick and come back after this has finished installing. Okay, so we are all set here. This is pretty much the screen that you get when everything has been created and installed for you. So basically at this point, WordPress has been installed on your domain. Whatever your domain name is what will pop up here. And you will get these three options in your face right here. One being to view your current site, one being to log into the dashboard, and the other being to go to your site tools, all right? Site tools, pretty much you can do a bunch of backend stuff like enable SSL and things in that manner. The WordPress dashboard is what you guys should already be familiar with in terms of building your own website. But if you are not, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel because we are going to be walking through a lot of that stuff when it comes to building your own website using WordPress, right? And then view your site is as simple as it sounds. Let's just click on that just to see. There you go. As you can see, we have a brand new WordPress website set up. This is usually what a brand new WordPress website with no edits looks like when you first set it up. All right, so as you guys can see here, we can go ahead and edit it. Again, follow along with my tutorials. You'll see how to build your own website, and we can go to our site tools and manage back-end stuff. All right, so if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section down below. And with that being said, we're gonna get out of the computer right now, and I will see you in person in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, again, thank you for watching. I hope this was a very helpful tutorial for you in terms of learning how to install WordPress on your domain. Stick around within this playlist. You should be able to learn how to build your own website using WordPress within this entire playlist. All right, so if you haven't done so already, and if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you again.